Hey everybody, it's Roddy with URM Academy. I am happy to present you Archspire. This is November's part 1, the mix. Now I'm going to show you how to import that MIDI map into Pro Tools 11. So let's go to File, Import, MIDI. There she is. Open. Import tempo and the key signature, of course. Boom. Oh, sick. We got the MIDI for the drums. Time signature changes, it looks like. BPM 170. Okay, let me just start it right here. Whatever. Cool. Everything's lined up. Everything looks great. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this month. Happy mixing.